Steps on the sidewalk broken and slow. The city's a mirror but it won't let it show. I chase my own shadow, it runs away. Every corner I turn, it's still yesterday. Clouds whisper low, they're hiding the sun. Tell me, do you ever feel like you come undone? Echoes in the rain, calling my name. Every drop's a memory I can't contain. It's falling, falling, it won't refrain. Echoes in the rain, I'm not the same. I'm not the same. Neon signs blink but they don't spell hope. The night wraps around me, a velvet rope. Cars hum like bees in a concrete hive. I'm here but I don't feel alive. The wind hums a tune, a song I don't know. Is it mine or the city's tale